there, it's Jeannie. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw and color a baby kangaroo. If you don't want to miss any future uploads, subscribe my channel. Baby kangaroos, called joeys, are born very small and without any fur. As they get bigger, they grow soft grey fur. At first, they live in their mom's pouch, where they drink milk and start to grow. They sleep a lot in the pouch because it's cozy and safe home for them where they feel protected. Joeys love to play and are very curious, often peek out from the pouch to see the world. They also make friends with other baby kangaroos and learn how to get along with them. As joeys get older, they start doing things on their own, learn to eat plants and become good at living in their home, the wild. Joeys have fun by jumping and playing games with each other. They watch their mom to learn important things. Erase any unwanted lines. Now you can start coloring it. And there you have it. Your drawing is ready. Hope you found my drawing tips helpful. Don't forget to like and share my video. See you soon in the next tutorial.